Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing how recessions can be the best opportunities to become rich. The quote, "riches are made in recession," suggests that during these periods, people and companies that have money and resources tend to become even richer, while people and companies without money and resources tend to become even poorer. During the global recession caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen this play out before our eyes, and we want to share with you how to take advantage of these opportunities. So if you're interested in learning more about how to take advantage of opportunities during a recession, make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and give this video a like. Let's get started now! The quote, "riches are made in recession," suggests that recessions are favorable times for those who want to increase their wealth, as these periods typically bring unique opportunities to invest in assets at lower prices and take advantage of business opportunities that arise when companies are in financial distress. During recessions, asset prices such as real estate and stocks tend to fall due to increased risk and economic uncertainty. This creates an opportunity for those who have cash available to invest, as they can buy these assets at lower prices and potentially realize significant gains when prices rise again. Additionally, recessions typically bring business opportunities for those who are willing to take risks. This can include investing in companies that are going through financial difficulties, purchasing assets such as commercial and industrial properties at lower prices, or even starting new businesses in sectors that are growing during the recession. The current situation, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, is causing a global recession, and it is bringing a range of economic and financial challenges for people and companies around the world. However, it is also creating unique opportunities for those who are prepared and willing to take risks. It's also important to remember that opportunities do not last forever, so it is important to be aware and ready to take advantage of these opportunities while they are available. Recently, there have been news that many CEOs and CFOs are preparing for a possible economic recession, taking measures to cut costs and increase efficiency. This includes reducing operational expenses, such as reducing staff, renting less space, and cutting back on marketing budgets. Some companies are also increasing automation of processes to reduce labor costs and improve efficiency. Additionally, many companies are increasing their financial reserves to prepare for a possible market downturn. This includes increasing cash reserves, reducing debt, and increasing liquidity. With these measures, companies are preparing for possible financial challenges in the future, such as a potential drop in demand or increase in costs. Another concern is the stock market downturn, as mentioned in the warning issued by JP Chase. The stock market downturn is a sign that many financial experts believe that the global economy is entering a recession, and that investors should be prepared for possible losses in the stock market. This can include reducing exposure to the stock market, diversifying investment portfolios, and increasing allocation in fixed income assets such as government bonds. It's important to remember that these warnings and preparations do not necessarily mean that a recession is inevitable, but it's an indication that companies are taking precautionary measures to protect themselves from possible economic challenges in the future. It's important to stay informed and prepared for possible changes in the market and economy. In addition to investing in assets at lower prices, recessions also offer unique opportunities for investors who are willing to take risks. This can include investing in companies that are going through financial difficulties but have strong fundamentals and a positive long-term outlook. These companies may be selling assets at very low prices, which can represent a good deal for investors. Another opportunity is buying assets at lower prices, such as commercial and industrial properties, which can be bought at lower prices than normal during a recession and can generate passive income in the long term. Recessions can also create business opportunities for those who are willing to take risks. This can include starting new businesses in sectors that are growing during the recession, such as technology, health, and education. Warren Buffett's quote about bad news being good for investors refers to the fact that recessions and economic crises usually bring unique opportunities for those who are willing to take risks and take advantage of business and investment opportunities that arise during these periods. However, it's important to remember that these opportunities don't last forever, and it's important to be aware and ready to take advantage of them while they're available. During recessions, there are common trends that occur. One of them is an increase in unemployment due to a decrease in demand for goods and services from companies having to reduce their staffs to cut costs. This directly affects workers who lose their jobs and find difficulties in finding new ones. Another common trend is the decrease in wages due to pressure on companies to cut costs and a reduction in demand for skilled workers. This can lead to a reduction in available income for workers and difficulties in paying their bills. In addition, there is a loss of consumer confidence due to economic uncertainty and a decrease in available income. This can lead to a reduction in demand for goods and services, which affects companies and can lead to further layoffs and wage reductions. Another common trend is a decrease in value across various sectors, including stocks, energy, food, and services. This can be due to reduced demand and economic uncertainty, which affects companies and investors. In summary, during recessions, there are common trends that affect people and companies, including an increase in unemployment, decrease in wages, loss of consumer confidence, and decrease in value across various sectors. It's important to be aware of these trends in order to be prepared for the possible challenges that may come. It's important to remember that recessions, although they are periods of economic uncertainty, also offer unique opportunities for investors and entrepreneurs who are willing to take risks. These opportunities can include investing in assets at lower prices. During a recession, many assets such as real estate and stocks tend to decrease in price. This creates an opportunity for those who have money available to invest, as they can buy these assets at lower prices and potentially gain significant returns when prices rise again. Investing in companies that are going through financial difficulties. During a recession, many companies may be going through financial difficulties, but still have strong fundamentals and a positive long-term outlook. These companies may be selling assets at very low prices, which can represent a good deal for investors. Starting new businesses in sectors that are growing. During a recession, some sectors may continue to grow, such as technology, healthcare, and education. This can create opportunities for those who want to start new businesses in these sectors. It's important to remember, however, that these opportunities don't last forever, and it's important to be aware and ready to take advantage of them while they're available. It's important to do your research and carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. Also, it's important to have financial reserves, diversify your investment portfolio, and be aware of economic trends to be prepared for possible market changes. In conclusion, Recessions can bring challenges and difficulties for people and companies, but they also offer unique opportunities for those who are willing to take risks and take advantage of them. It's important to be aware of common trends during recessions, such as an increase in unemployment, a decrease in wages, a loss of consumer confidence, and a decrease in value across various sectors. However, it's also important to remember that these opportunities don't last forever, and it's important to be aware and ready to take advantage of them while they're available. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and give us a like if you found this video informative and helpful. Remember to stay informed and stay prepared for the challenges and opportunities that may come during a recession. Thank you for watching!